By the way, we'd like to announce we're coming up with AIM Express powered by Meltan. Would you like to know what AIM Express is?
Yes!
Lalo na sa mga onliners. Nagpapadala ba kayo ng product sa iba't ibang mga bansa? Nahihirapan ba kayo o nahihirapan? The solution is AIM Express. Kami na po. We will deliver it safe, reliable, discounted, quickly, and fast. Kaysa bibili ka ng product, pupunta ka pa ng DHL, minsan i-reject, minsan hihingi ka ng reseta, and they will not guarantee na makakapasok. With AIM Express, it's totally different. Kami na mag-deliver and we will guarantee na makakapasok sa mga bansa ngayon. Are you excited with this? And to shine with this. Of course, guys, we have certain limitations with this. Ayaw natin siyempre mag-deliver doon sa mga bansang meron tayong BCO or branches. Kailangan doon sa mga bansang hindi pa tayo fully existing as a legal entity. Okay po ba yan?
Yes!
You want to know how many countries?
Yes!
Do you want to know how many countries can AIM Express deliver our products? We can deliver in 160 countries.
Wow!
Are you excited for this? We will start this with our head office first. When? Head office next week. It will be operational next week. Very, very soon sa mga branches at BCO, pwede kang bumili ng global back doon. Tapos malalaman namin sa head office, kami na mag-deliver, of course, with some charges of delivery, pero discounted siya as compared